Hello and welcome, Truck Driving Mylan here, and for our next unboxing from our Black Friday specials from the Home Depot, which the FedEx guy took 3 days to get it to me with fraudulent delivery attempts, saying it was unavailable. Milwaukee M-12 FUEL, and it comes with I got the rubber ratchet cover, goes over the end of the ratchet, and per suggestion of a friend, upgraded to the 6 amp lithium battery. He said the 2 amps that come with it, you'll be constantly having to put the batteries on the charger when you're working on a project. And highly recommended the 6 amp battery. M-12 FUEL. And here's the specs. This is supposed to be 55 pounds of torque. The regular red Milwaukee red was 35. Yep, max torque, 55 foot-pounds, 3/8 square drive. They also make a 1/2-inch drive in the M12 series, and I think also a 1/4-inch drive. But most of the stuff I do requires 3/8, sometimes in 1/2-inch, and another exclusive from Home Depot comes with its own carrying bag, free lint included. And what have we here? Alright, we have our tool, our charger and cord for charger, and it only came with one 2 amp hour battery. I thought it was supposed to come with 2. Even Velcro down the cord. Keep that from flapping around. Win a 10-piece combo kit. Or t-shirt. Alright, I guess I'll enter to win that. The M12 charger. That's Velcro, and that's, oh geez, another Velcro. They love their Velcro. And that's just bungee. It's the brushless. So, oh, it already has a battery in there. So yes, it did come with 2 batteries. Let's see, does this thing, it's got a light. Sorry if that's blinding you. Yep, okay. Yep, so it does have two batteries. One's already in. Has an on-off switch. Locks out the trigger. Forward and reverse gears. Don't know how much of a charge is on there. This one does not appear to have a charge indicator. And do a little surgery here, get this opened up. Our protective cover. Slides right over. Maybe. Alright. Hey, little Pete. Put a little spit on it. Oh my goodness. I guess this is sorry, I'm sitting in front of my heat register and starting to drip spot. Alright, let me see what I can do about getting this on there. Okay. Appears get your fingers in the hole and then wiggle the cover back and forth. And it fits like a glove. Alright, so I'm not out in the garage. Got another tool opening to do. What else we got here? In the pouch. Here's your instructions. Our owner's manual and operator's manual for the charger. And it looks like a tool brochure. Over 300 tools. So basically a product brochure for everything you can get in the Milwaukee line. Let's see, I've owned another Milwaukee cordless half-inch corded drill. That would be the only other Milwaukee tool I can think of off the top of my head that I've owned. So, a lot of mechanics at my work use these Milwaukees, and figured I'd give it a try. Thanks for watching the unboxing.